Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making my pumpkin spice lip gloss. So hope you guys like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. And I'm going to be showing you guys what I have. So I was talking in the video, but what I have is my squeeze tubes, my bowl, my pigments, which is like a glitter, and the other pigment I think it's called passion orange. I got it from TKB Trading. Then I have my pumpkin spice. I got this off of Amazon. And then I have my oils, my grapeseed oil. You can get it from Amazon. Same with my castor oil. You can get it off of Amazon or your local store. And then I have a new syringe with a pipette connected to it. And then I have my 2 popsicle sticks for the pigments. And then, of course, I have my Versagel, and that's the lip gloss base, if you didn't know. And, of course, you can get it from TKB Trading, or you can get it off of Amazon, but I get mine from TKB Trading. So then now I'm going to start filling up the bowl with Versagel, and yeah. So then now I go in with my castor oil first because castor oil is actually really thick. So I want to go in with that first. And this lip gloss is actually meant to be thick. I think it's perfect as a thick lip gloss because the shine is so pretty. So then now I'm mixing it. So that's why I put the castor oil first, because once again it's thick. So I'm mixing that first to make sure it's evenly distributed. And then, of course, later on, I'm going to put in the grapeseed oil, which is thinner. So it will balance it out. It won't be, like, too thick, and it won't be too thin. But it will be a thick lip gloss. So that's what I really like about my pumpkin spice lip gloss. So as you guys can see, I have my grapeseed oil. And y'all already know, I love grapeseed oil. But I'm still testing out different oils. I'm trying to see which I like best. But yeah, so since this lip gloss pumpkin spice, it's a thick gloss, but it has the ultimate shine. It's so pretty, like so pretty on the lips. And of course it's pumpkin spice, so it has that smell of pumpkin spice, duh. And then now I'm putting in the passion orange pigment. As y'all can tell, I was struggling and I couldn't open up the thing, but finally I opened up the little bag of pigment. But now I'm putting in the pigment, and that's how, of course, you get the orange, like the burnt orange look. And you can get that pigment off of TKB Trading. It's called Passion Orange. So then now I'm going in with my Angel Kiss glitter, and it's like it has like gold and orange mixed in. It's a really nice glitter. So then I'm putting that, only putting a small amount into the lip gloss. Because of course I don't want too much glitter, but still the glitter is there, and that's what I like about it. A little amount goes a long way, basically. So as y'all can tell, I didn't put a lot. But I don't know, I just feel like the glitter is just so pretty. I don't know. Because when I used the flash and I put it close to like the glitter to like, you know, the lip gloss, it looks really good. So that's why I like putting that glitter in there. Look at that. Yeah. So then now I'm going to mix that up, of course, evenly distribute it. And then I believe later on in the video, I put a little more of grapeseed oil because I felt like the gloss was way too thick. But yeah. So then now I have my syringe. It's my brand new syringe with the pipette already connected. So then now I'm going to scoop in the lip gloss. I find that scooping in the lip gloss is easier and it prevents bubbles, like air bubbles, because we don't like air bubbles, okay? So scooping it in really helps a lot. And I don't know, this is my favorite part. I think it's so satisfying. I don't know why it's so satisfying to me. But then after this, of course, I'll be filling up my squeeze tubes. I only have a few, so I'm filling up my squeeze tubes, and y'all can just watch and relax. And yeah.